Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're going to be checking out the MUNBYN RealWriter RW402B label printer. This is a thermal printer, no ink needed. MUNBYN sent me the printer, the MUNBYN label holder, and a roll of 4x6 labels. Go ahead and start with the printer. User manual, barcodes to scan to download the app. Also comes with a USB-C to USB-C connection to your computer. Also too, comes with an adapter. So if you do not have USB-Cs on your computer, you can go with a USB-A, which is a really nice touch there. We also got the MUNBYN label holder. So this is able to support rolls and fan fold labels. This would fit on here. All right, so let's go ahead and print a label. So let's go ahead and turn it on. This ring is letting you know that there's no labels loaded into the printer. So let's go ahead and do that. So once I load the printer, the auto size detection is gonna kick in. And now the ring is green, letting you know it is ready to go. So I will go to the app on my phone. So as you can see, on the top left corner, you see your printer and it has a green check. That means it's connected and ready to go. So I already have a design saved. So I'm gonna go there. There is the logo I would like to print. So let's go ahead and print it. Once it is printed, and there you go. Does not smudge because it is thermal. So if you're looking for an easy to use thermal printer with great support, intuitive app, check this one out. This is from MUNBYN.